tábořit, Škodou 100 na Oravu, spěchám, proto riskuji, projíždím přes Moravu, řádí tam to strašidlo, vystupuje z Bážin, žere hlavně pražáky, jmenuje se Jožin. Jožin z Bážin, močálem se blíží, Jožin z Bážin, k vesnici se blíží, Jožin z Bážin, už si zuby brousí, Jožin z Bážin, kouše sa jerdousí, na Jožina z Bážin, koho by to napadlo, platí jen a pouze práškovací letadlo. Projížděl jsem dědinou, cestou na Vizovice, přivítal mě předseda.
Otters' noses, ocelot spleens.
Got any nuts?
I haven't got any nuts, sorry. I've got wren's livers, badger spleens.
No.
Otters' noses?
I don't want that Roman rubbish.
Why don't you sell proper food?
Proper food?
Yeah, not those rich imperialist tidbits.
Oh, don't blame me. I didn't ask to sell this stuff.
All right, bag of otters' noses then.
Make it 2.
2.
Thanks, Reg.
Are you the Judean People's Front? Fuck off.
What?
Judean People's Front. Well, the People's Front of Judea. Judean People's Front. God.
Wankers. Can I join your group?
Nah, piss off.
I didn't want to sell this stuff. It's only a job. I hate the Romans as much as anybody.
Are you sure?
Oh, dead sure. I hate the Romans already.
Listen, if you wanted to join the PFJ, you'd have to really hate the Romans.
I do.
Oh, yeah? How much?
A lot.
Right, you're in. Listen, the only people we hate more than the Romans are the fucking Judean People's Front.
And the Judean Popular People's Front.
Oh, yeah.
Split.
Split.
And the People's Front of Judea.
Splitters. What?
The People's Front of Judea. Splitters.
We're the People's Front of Judea.
Oh. I thought we were the Popular Front.
People's Front.
Whatever happened to the Popular Front? Eh?
He's over there.
Split!
Jedu takhle tábořit, Škodou 100 na Oravu, spěchám, proto riskuji, projíždím přes Moravu, řádí tam to strašidlo, vystupuje z Bážin, žere